Okay.
You ready? We were looking at radar, and I'd probably zoom it in just a little bit here because we wouldn't be quite that far out. And looking at thunderstorms down here, possible storms developing over here. I'd come over here and get a map. It looks like storms are going to develop to the southwest of us. So we're going to send you guys out to the southwest of the city. And the map is broken. Someone has torn out my map. We're going to send you radar showing thunderstorms. So we're going to have you go down to Brownfield. The storms are developing here in Seminole. I want you on the right side of these storms, so I want you to go down 403, down in this area here, just south of this little Ashmore. This storm is going to move near Loop. You're going to be on the southeast side of the storm, on the inflow side of the storm. And I want you to just parallel that storm. That storm is going to move up from about Loop to just east of Brownfield. So you'll probably need to go from Ashmore up back toward Union, Newmore, West Point, just kind of just follow it back in, because I think this storm is going to move like this into southern Lubbock County towards Slide, Woodrow, southwest city of Lubbock. I want you to go in this area here.
What are you going to do when I get down there?
You'll be getting first picks. You'll be getting a Coke and a burrito because you like to sit there and watch the storms for a while. Weather Lab. Well, I will tell Jeff that you'll be available when he gets there at 8:30. That'd be great. That'd be wonderful. I mean, you're supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be talking to you right now, but I'm talking to Jeff instead. But that'll be okay. He'll just splice you in. I guess you don't splice anything anymore. He'll just edit you in electronically through digitized computers. But yeah, that'd be great. I'll let him know. Bye-bye. He's going to be in the morning. He'll stay.
You know, man, he was like, I was trying to flip to those other guys, and I couldn't find out a thing. And Ron was there. It's like, here it is right now, here it is right now, here it is right now, here it is right now.
Guy, he has pretty good memory.
And I couldn't remember which storm he was talking about.
That's longer than 2 or 3 years ago.
Really?
That's actually when I was at KLBK.
Is that right?
Yeah. And Matador was hit by a tornado. And yeah, that's back in the old days of color radar. But I was on, and I think this is before 28 had Don Morelli, so they had John Cone or somebody. And I don't know who 11 had, but they both went to dinner. I stayed up there because I saw this one little lone thunderstorm, and I just stayed with it, and then it right turned and started producing a tornado.
Wow.
It's kind of fun. Yeah, in fact, I went to Matador after that tornado. I've gone to about, well, I can't remember how many towns I've gone to after they've been hit by a tornado just to understand and survey the damage. And Matador is one of the freshest ones I've ever gone to. I mean, I was there within, I guess, 4 hours. I guess I got there by 11:30, and I think it hit at 8:30. So 3 to 4 hours after it hit. You could still see the lightning of the storm as it moved east, and it was incredible. It was a fairly small, compact tornado, but it took the school. The school was this old steel structure, and it just flipped their school over. And luckily there was a basement, and luckily a lot of people went into the basement to seek shelter. Only one fatality. And more than likely I'd be sitting like this, and let's say Al's on the phone. Yeah, that'd be good. Well, Al, it looks pretty impressive. There is that disturbance just west of us on satellite, so I think some more storms are going to be developing. What do you see out there?
Well, I think I see a wall cloud, Ron. It's to the southeast of supercell inflow.
Okay, so pretty good towers going up on the flanking line behind the storm, the parent
yeah,
storm.
Like that, Ron.
Okay, what's your wind speed like in the inflow area?
It's about 32 knots.
32 knots. That's pretty strong wind. So you have good inflow. A rain-free base developing back to your southwest. Looks. Is it lowering any at all?
Just a little bit, Ron.
Okay. Why don't you guys go ahead and send us a first pick on that, Al? We're going to be doing another break in here in just a minute. By the way, have you heard any scanner reports on hail in that area?
Yeah, Sheriff's Department reports some Peter marble-sized hail.
Okay, marble-sized hail with the storm. Good inflow area, rain-free base. It is lowering a little bit. NWS is probably going to issue a tornado warning on it. I'm going to zoom in on this, Al, real quick just to see exactly. You're located just, what, about 4 miles south-southwest of Morton?
That's right.
Okay, all right. I show the best inflow area just to your west and south, west and north of you, say about 6 miles to the north of Lehman. Do you concur with that?
Yeah, that's right.
Heaviest precipitation shield moving into Morton. Okay. All right, we'll be doing a break-in. And hang on, Al, hang on. 1 second, Al. They have issued now a severe thunderstorm warning for Cochran County until 2:30. Cochran County until 2:30, Al. So they've issued a severe thunderstorm warning on that storm now. Apparently there's some...
Ron, you want to go on with the cut-in?
Yeah, let's do a cut-in. All right, guys, upstairs, let's do a cut-in. Got a severe thunderstorm warning for Cochran County. We need to get everything set up. Just let me know.
Okay, you got coming up in a minute and a half.
Minute and a half away. All right, guys, minute and a half away. Break in. Severe thunderstorm warning for Cochran County until 2:30 this afternoon.
We're going to have a first pitch, Ron.
All right, thanks, Micah. We do have a first pick coming up. Great. We'll have that first pick. So we'll have Doppler radar. We'll have the first pick. Also, we have a phoner with Al. Al is located in Cochran County, just a few miles east of Lehman. I don't know, about 6 miles, 8 miles. Just say east of Lehman.
Ron, got a phone call over here. Somebody wants to talk to you really bad.
Phone call over here. Hang on, so we got a minute and a half. Ron? Yeah, we do have reports of some hail near Morton. Where are you located, ma'am? All right, you're located southwest of Morton. What kind of hail are you getting? Okay, you are getting some now some golf ball size hail. All right, thank you very much. Al, that was a lady I just talked to from southwest of Morton. Has golf ball size hail now.
Yeah, we're getting hit pretty hard right now, Ron.
I can hear the pinging on your card. We better get out of there.
Did you get the first picks?
We have the first picks. You better move out of there.
Okay, Ron, this is Shane. You ready? Coming on in 10.
Okay, everybody, get ready to do a break-in.
4, 3, 2, 1.
The National Weather Service has issued now a severe thunderstorm warning for Cochran County until 2:30. Storm Team Doppler 1 radar indicating a severe thunderstorm to southwest of Morton moving to the northeast. This storm has reports of large hail. I had just a viewer just a minute ago call from the Morton area with golf ball size hail. Storm Team Unit number 1 with Al is located now just a few miles south of Morton. Al, what do you see down there?
Ron, we're getting quite a bit of heavy rain. We're beginning to pick up some feet of marble-sized hail, and a lot of lightning.
Okay, Al Harden now, Storm Team Unit number 1. Al, just a few minutes ago, also you're reporting a rain-free area, lowering in that rain-free area as well. Any rotation in that wall cloud yet?
Not yet, Ron. We're keeping our eyes on it.
Okay. At this time, folks, no rotation reported in the wall cloud southwest of Morton, but there is a rain-free area. We're watching it very closely. There's been some slight lowering of that wall cloud over the last few minutes. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Cochran County now until 2:30. A tornado watch continues for the South Plains until 10 o'clock. Keep it here on ABC 28. We'll keep you advised.
Very good.
I've been around you for a long, long
Just messing around
time.
here, Ron, talking on the telephone.
Maybe I'm too much of something is wrong. What'd you do this weekend, Mr. Bringle? Anything say?
All around the house. It's been Saturday at Tech.
What'd you do, that baseball thing?
Lady Reader game.
Oh,
Little half-time debacle against Stanford.
yeah. So I heard, but I watched the men play yesterday. And I don't know where this basketball team's been all year long, but in the last 6 minutes of that game, they had beat almost anybody the way they were playing. Isn't that amazing? It just looked like a totally different team.
That's why you show up and play it.
I thought for sure they were going to get beat.
Give me a little keyboard there.
Huh?
Give me a little keyboard action.
Well, all right. I'll give you some keyboard action here. I can do that. Need to sing or anything for this?
I don't think so.
Well, singing.
Even if it's Moody Blues.
Especially if it's Moody Blues, you don't want me to destroy them, do you? I still think that's one of the best shows I've ever seen last May. I was jamming. And that was your parents sitting behind us?
Do that again.
All right, well, I'm getting ready to do something here, Mr. Bringle. And voila, computer.
Say go, just all you do is just toggle it. You don't have to hold it. Just flip it and let it go.
Okay.
Okay.